फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। योर फेस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ समवन। योर फेस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ समवन। माँ बदले में कुछ नहीं मांगती। मदर डिमांड्स नथिंग इन रिटर्न। मदर डिमांड्स नथिंग इन रिटर्न। उसने मेरे कहे का उल्टा किया, मतलब जो मैंने कहा उसके ऑपोजिट किया, वो नहीं किया जो मैंने कहा। He did opposite of what I said. He did opposite of what I said. उसने मेरी बात को उल्टा समझ लिया या फिर गलत समझ लिया। He took me otherwise, या आप बोल सकते हो He took me wrong. He took me wrong. मैं हमेशा कुछ अच्छा करने का प्रयास करता हूँ या कोशिश करता हूँ। I always try to do something better. I always try to do something better. मैं वो हूँ जो आपके साथ था। I am the one who was with you. I am the one who was with you. मैं कसम खाता हूँ कि मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं जाऊँगा। I swear that I will never go there. I swear that I will never go there. इसे छोड़कर मुझे कुछ भी दे दो। Give me anything except it. Give me anything except it. मैं इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते अटक जाता हूँ। I fumble while speaking English. I fumble while speaking English. मैंने अनजाने में तुम्हारा दिल दुखाया। I hurt you unknowingly. I hurt you unknowingly. कितना बदल गए हो तुम। How changed you are. How changed you are. उसकी आत्मा को शांति मिले। May his soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. जुबान फिसल गई। It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. आपको उससे बात करनी चाहिए। You should talk to her. You should talk to her. कोई आपको बुला रहा है। Somebody is calling you. Somebody is calling you या तो फिर someone is calling you. तुमने ये कहाँ से उठाई थी? Where had you picked it from? Where had you picked it from? ऐसा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it happen only with me? Why does it happen only with me? तुम ही तो यहाँ आए थे। It was you who had come here. It was you who had come here. वो मेरा बहुत करीबी है। He is very close to me. He is very close to me. जो भी मेरे पास आया मैंने मदद की। Whoever came to me, I helped. Whoever came to me, I helped. हमें सब कुछ भूल जाना चाहिए। We should forget everything. We should forget everything. तुरंत तैयार हो जाओ। Be ready at once. Be ready at once या तो आप बोल सकते हैं Get ready at once. Get ready at once. तुमने मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया। You spoiled my mood. You spoiled my mood. ये एक ज़रूरत बन गई है। It has become a necessity. It has become a necessity. ये कैसे काम करता है? How does it work? How does it work? उसे अपने आप सीखना होगा। He will have to learn himself. He will have to learn himself. और कुछ है आपके पास? Anything else do you have? Anything else do you have? अभी मैं व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. ये कानून के विरुद्ध है। It's against the law. It's against the law. काश मैं वहाँ जा सकता। I wish I could go there. I wish I could go there. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना चाहिए। You should go there. You should go there. उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है। His performance is not up to the mark. His performance is not up to the mark. वे फिसल कर गिर गया। He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. So friends, these were the 30 phrases and sentences which we discussed in this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel for more content. I'll meet you in new video with new content. Till that time, all the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.